MotoRad's line of thermostats is one of the most sophisticated and advanced in the automotive industry. MotoRad manufactures thermostats and caps to QS, TS, and ISO standards, and every single part is tested in the factory before being shipped to our customers. The company offers the best coverage of thermostats in the world for virtually any vehicle and engine. In fact, MotoRad provides an industry-leading 98% coverage for thermostats. That's a 13% advantage over the competition. The patented MotoRad fail-safe thermostat is designed to help protect your engine in the instance of an overheating situation. The fail-safe thermostat operates like any other thermostat during normal cooling system conditions, fluctuating the amount the valve is open in response to coolant temperature. In response to an overheating situation, the patented design allows for extra stroke, locking the thermostat in the open condition. This allows for maximum coolant flow during overheating. A normal thermostat would succumb to the conditions and fail. This would force the thermostat into the closed position, adding to the overheating, which could result in costly engine damage. Let's now watch them function together side by side during an overheating situation. Fail-safe thermostats, the only thermostats designed to help protect your engine during an overheating situation. MotoRad's line of thermostats is one of the most sophisticated and advanced in the automotive industry. Beginning in the early 2000s, MotoRad recognized the growing trend of integrated housing thermostats being used on new vehicles coming off the OE lines. Now in 2015, a little over half of all new vehicles come equipped with these thermostats, and MotoRad is leading the way in providing coverage for this rapidly growing product segment. In fact, MotoRad provides an industry-leading 91% coverage for integrated housing thermostats. That's nearly a 30% advantage over the competition. The integrated housing thermostat differs from the traditional thermostat, as it is an all-in-one bolt-on solution with the thermostat and housing integrated into each other. Integrated map-controlled housing thermostats allow additional regulation of operating temperature via maps stored in the ECU. With the increase in complexity of these systems, it is more important than ever to maintain strict adherence to the OE designs and updates. Where there are known OE design issues, MotoRad engineers make sure to design solutions that fix the issue. Here we have the MotoRad part number 379-187, the GM OEM part, and a competitor part. The OEM part features a unique bypass valve with two elliptical holes in the bypass to allow for the continuous flow of coolant through the bypass. You can see that the MotoRad part follows this design with the correct elliptical holes in the bypass. The competitor part uses a design that is based on a Ford and Jaguar design part. This design still allows for flow through the bypass, but does not match the OEM design and causes different flow characteristics. This causes an excess of 1 gallon of coolant to return through the engine bypass every minute, an 11% increase over the OEM design. Allowing this excess coolant through the bypass, where additional heat will be added instead of to the radiator for cooling, could result in less than optimal cooling efficiency. The MotoRad 524KT kit was designed for late 90s and early 2000s GM V8 engines using an integrated housing thermostat mounted to the water pump. On most 2004 models, GM changed the water pump to a separate thermostat and inlet, and the old-style water pump was superseded by the new water pump. The issue with this change is that the diameter of the opening on the new pump is smaller than that of the old pump. This decrease in diameter will not allow for the original design thermostat to fit into the new water pump. MotoRad identified this issue and designed the 524KT as a solution to this problem, with proper fit into the new pump design. Offered exclusively by MotoRad, this combination of product design and proper cataloging assures the right part every time. This type of proactive, leading-edge product management means you will see less returns and fewer lost sales with the MotoRad product line on your shelf.